So I would like to show you how we could approach this problem and work on it. So the first thing that I would do if I'm on this image is I would actually zoom in so that I can actually see it a little bit better. So I'm going to use fit 75 because then it's going to fit my entire screen. All right. So what I actually am going to do is I'm going to use a separate sheet of paper and I'm going to write down my problem. So I'm going to say negative quantity k plus 2 closed quantity plus 3k minus 4 equals negative 2. And I'm going to actually work hand in hand with what's on my computer and what's on paper. So the first thing that I would end up doing to solve this is I'm going to do the distributive property to start. So negative k and negative times 2 is negative 2, and then everything else gets rewritten. So sweet, I had the first line, so I need to now plug this in. So I have negative k, so that means 1. Okay, and then I have minus 2, so I'm going to put minus 2. And then the rest is already written for me. All right, so I'm going to keep going then. I'm going to go, okay, well, looking at this, they want how many k's do I have? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I have negative 1 and a positive 3. So I have 2 k's. And then I have negative 2 and negative 4, which would make negative 6 equals negative 2. All right, so I need to then go, okay, well, that's 2k. And then we have minus 6 equals that negative 2. All right. So then the next step of this, I need to get rid of what's not touching. So I'm going to add 6 to both sides. Notice in my Google slide, I don't have a room for work. They just want the final answer. So I'm going to say 2k equals 4. Okay, so I'm going to drag my 2. So 2k equals 4. And then I need to finalize this by dividing both sides by 2. So k equals 2. So I'm going to drag this last 2 here. So hopefully this helps you figure out how to do this type of problem.